I'm going to quickly show you again how to open Microsoft WordPad. I select the search and type WordPad and select WordPad. From within WordPad, I'm going to enter in some sample text. I'm going to do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Just bear in mind that I previously copied this. If I want to edit or change the text, I first have to select the text. To do this, I hold the left mouse button down and drag my mouse over the text that I want to edit. When I release, you'll see that the text that I want to edit is now highlighted. What I want to do with this text is make it bold. Do you remember the abbreviation for bold? If I select the capital B, it will make my text bold. Now I want to edit the next paragraph. To do this, I'm going to select the left mouse button and drag my mouse cursor over the section that I want to select. Once I see the section that I want to select is highlighted, I can release my left mouse button. This paragraph, I want to make it italic. To do this, I'm going to select the little I. And as you can see, my paragraph is now in italics. I want to now edit the next paragraph. I'm going to highlight my paragraph, and for this paragraph, I want to change the color. To do this, I'm going to select this color icon. If I select the A, it won't do anything. It will automatically make it the color that my text already is. But if I select the drop-down menu and select red, for example, this line becomes red. Now if I want to change the text color of any other paragraph, I can just highlight and then instantly select the A with a line under it. And now I have two red paragraphs. This next paragraph, I want to change the size of it. To do this, I highlight the text and I can change the size in two ways. I can either select this capital A with an arrow pointing upwards to make my text bigger. Or if I want to make it smaller, I can select the small a with a down arrow to make it smaller. Alternatively, where it says 11, representing the size of the text, I can select the drop-down menu and select any text size that I want. I'm going to select 20. This next paragraph, I want to change the style of font that I've used. I highlight the paragraph. It will tell me what font it currently is. If I want to change it, I select the drop-down menu and I can select any one of these styles. Let's go with Arial. For these next two paragraphs, I want them to appear with a bullet before them. To do this, I'm going to highlight both paragraphs and select this icon. This icon will turn these two paragraphs into list entries. For the next paragraph, I want to change the layout of the text. So I'll highlight the text and I can select between four options: aligned left, aligned right, aligned center, or justified. Let's align it center. And just to make it special, let's make it smaller and red. For the last paragraph, I want to change the space between each line of text. To do this, I'll highlight the text and select my spacing options drop-down menu. I'm going to select 1.5. As you can see, the space between each line has now gotten bigger. There are other things you can do in Microsoft WordPad, such as inserting a picture, inserting a paint drawing, inserting a date and timestamp, or inserting an object from another document. You can also look up and find specific words in your document, or you can replace an entire batch of words in one go with the replace icon. In our other ribbon, we have options to zoom out and options to zoom in, as well as to take away this ruler.